Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through troubleshooting Roblox login issues on your PS5. So if you're encountering an error when trying to log into Roblox, start by checking the Roblox server status. You can go ahead and open your web browser, then go to downdetector.com. And here you can go ahead and search for Roblox and see if the servers are down. If Roblox servers are operational, try a simple restart of the application. Press the PS button on your controller, navigate to the switcher icon, and close Roblox. After closing, attempt to open it again, and if the problem persists, restart your PS5 console. Press the PS button, go to the power icon, and select Restart PS5. And after the restart, try logging in Roblox again. If you still can't log in, check your internet connection as well. Go to the gear icon and select settings, and then after go to network, and under the connection status tab, select test internet connection. And if the test fails, occasionally the problem might be related to your password. On a phone or computer, visit the Roblox website, and on the login page, click on forgot password or username and enter your email or phone number to receive a code and create a new password. Once you have your new password, return to PS5 and try logging in again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.